Pedir la cuenta. Pedir la cuenta. Man, oh man. This one is another basic one, but it's not that difficult. It's used in a specific situation. So this means to ask for the bill. When you ask for the bill, we're talking about when you are at a restaurant and you want to pay what you need to pay, the bill. You need to pay the bill, right? We're not talking about other kinds of bills. We're talking about specifically when you are at a restaurant, you ate already, and now you are asking for the bill. Okay? So, pedir la cuenta. Pedir la cuenta. La cuenta means quite a few things. Cuenta could mean account. For example, if you are at the bank, la cuenta de banco, that means bank account. It can also mean, in this situation, is the bill, But yeah, bill or check. So it's similar to, to ask for the check or to ask for the bill. Also, it refers to when you are when you owe money, and you have the bill. That's the best translation for this term, when we're talking about bill or check or a bank account. But in this situation, we're not talking about a bank account. We're just talking about the bill. So let's look at some examples using this term. Pedir la cuenta. By the way, pedir, to ask for. Yeah, that's like the most basic meaning of the verb pedir. Pedir, to ask for. La de. So pedir, to ask for. La de cuenta, bill. That's a translation right there. Let's look at some examples using this phrase. ¿Puedes pedir la cuenta al mesero? ¿Puedes pedir la cuenta al mesero? This means, can you ask the waiter for the bill? That's it. So let's break this down. Puedes. Great word that means can you do something, right? Can you do something for me, pretty much. Puedes, it's informal. You're asking to one person. So puedes means can you. Pedir la cuenta, which is the phrase we're learning right here. Ask for the bill. And then we have a él. A él. This is another word that was originally two words. So, a él. When you say pedir la cuenta a, so this word right here, the letter A, pedir la cuenta a, is to ask for the bill, and then you add who are you asking for the bill? Who is this person? Is it a waitress, a waiter? Is it like, usually when you're at that restaurant, it's, either or, mesero, mesera, camarero in Spain, camarera, okay? But let me put it here. Oh, I'll put it in a bit. I'll put it there in a bit. So, a helps you to address that, you're asking to someone for something. So, we don't have, like here in English, you have the waiter right in the middle. Can you ask? And then you insert who, right? For the bill. In Spanish, we have first, puedes pedir la cuenta a. Okay, so a. Now we don't have el mesero in the middle, we have it at the end. So él, by the way, a él is wrong. A él means to thee, but we don't have that in Spanish. If you have a and él, you need to make it one word, al. Okay, so keep that in mind. In that we don't have a here, something similar to a here, but we have the was, el, that became al. Okay, so keep that in mind. And then we have mesero, waiter, mesero. And let me tell you, in Spain, what am I doing? In Spain, you say camarero. Just let me erase all of this. Camarero or camarera, okay? Camarera, feminine, camarero, masculine. That means, camarero, waiter, camarera, waitress, mesero, waiter, mesera, waitress, okay? So keep that in mind. And that's pretty much it. that's pretty much it. So remember that in this case, the waiter, right? The waiter. So now let's look at another example, and I think that's the last one. That's the last example, you guys. And that is it. Let's see what we have here. Voy a pedir la cuenta. Voy a pedir la cuenta porque ya es tarde. Voy a pedir la cuenta porque ya es tarde. And this means I'm going to ask for the bill because it's late or it's getting late. Okay? So you need to leave. You need to pay your bill and leave. Boy means I'm going. Boy. You can say yo boy. You don't need to say yo. But boy, you have to if you want to say I'm going. Okay? Voy a means I'm going to ... pedir, ask la cuenta for the bill, or pedir, ask for, and la cuenta, the bill, because ya es tarde. It's late. I mean, we have ya here. It's like saying it's late already. Ya can mean already. Ya can mean quite a few things. Ya can mean already. Ya can mean now. Ya can mean in some situations later. For example, I can say, ya veremos qué pasa. We'll see what happens later. Okay, later, not right now, but later. Similar to saying that. And also, ya is an expression of impatience. When you're frustrated and impatient, it's similar to saying enough. When you say yeah. Someone is, for example, talking, and you're saying yeah. And that means enough. Or also it can mean stop. So, yeah. Similar to saying enough, stop in a situation where you're frustrated or impatient. You can also say something like, ya basta. That's enough. So, yeah can mean a few things. But in this situation, it's like saying, I'm getting impatient. I have to go. It's getting late. So ya es tarde. It's late already. So I gotta go. So technically we could add it here because it's late already, or it's already late. Let's do that so there's more clarity there. But ya is a very good expression and word that can mean a few things. We can talk about it in the future. So, pedir la cuenta right here, to ask for the bill. Nothing really complicated going on here. So remember, you just need to know the conjugation of this verb pedir. Now, if you're asking, for example, if you want to say, hey, waiter, can I ask for the bill, please? You know, can I have the bill, please? You can say, te pido la cuenta, por favor. Te pido la cuenta, por favor. Just let me add a comma here. It's really not a question. It's not a question, but it's similar to saying, may I have the bill, please? You can also say, if you don't wanna use, I mean, I don't know why you don't wanna use, or you wouldn't like to use pedir la cuenta, because it's an easy way to say, hey, you know, can I ask you for the bill? So can I ask you for, similar to saying that. Similar to saying that, it's not a question, but it's a common way to say, hey, can I ask you for the bill, please? Or just check. If you want to say, if you really want to simplify this, you can even say to the waiter or waitress, la cuenta, por favor. This is similar to saying, the check please, or check please, okay? La cuenta, por favor. So very simple. La cuenta refers to the bill. Don't forget, por favor, that means please. And that is it. That is it. Oh, mama. Remember, pedir la cuenta means to ask for the bill. Okay? When you are at a restaurant. Any questions?